Hello students, I Paramar Pinal welcomes you to my class, subject English. Dear student, today we will see activity 8. So let's start it. From advertising poem, Isn't It Funny? Why Is It? Written by Douglas Gelby on June 17, 2012. File in category Economics of Attention. Here in activity 8, we will see one poem, advertising poem. The title of this poem is Isn't It Funny? Why Is It? And this poem is written by Douglas Gelby on June 17, 2012. And this poem is categorized in economics of attention. In economics part, this poem is categorized. So by 1923, US newspaper and magazines were promoting advertising with the text that is now called the advertising poem. The poem which is written by Douglas Gelby by 1923 in US newspaper and magazines, they were promoting, means they were encouraging advertisement, and for encouraging advertisement they have written one text, and in that text they have mentioned this poem, and that is called advertising poem. So we will see this poem, that what this poem suggests, what this poem wants to say. Here this poem, Isn't It Funny? Why Is It? Is written by Douglas James, and it talks about a man's life. A life of a man is surrounded by advertised things. Since morning till night, the things which a man used, that is advertised things, that we can see the advertisement in different media, in newspaper, TV, internet, everywhere. So the man is surrounded by advertised things. He used the advertised things. And then after using these things which is advertised, how a man can deny the advertisement, how he can oppose, how he can say that advertisement doesn't work. So this poem is about the advertised things. So let's see it. Why is it? A man wakes up after sleeping under an advertised blanket. A man, when waking up after the long night's sleep, when he wake up under the advertised blanket, when he wake up, the blanket which he used, that is also advertised blanket. That advertisement we can see in a different media. On an advertised mattress, when he is sleeping on the mattress, that mattress also advertised, like sleep well advertisement we can see. So mattress on which the man is sleeping, that is also advertised mattress. Pulls of advertised pajamas. Then the night dress which he used, which he pulls off, that is also advertised pajamas that he used. Baths in an advertised shower. Then he is taking the bath in the bathroom under the shower. So that shower is also advertised in a different media. Shaves with an advertised razor. When he is shaving, now that is also the razor which he used, that is also advertised, like Gillette and others. So advertised razors he was using. Then brushes his teeth with advertised toothpaste. Then he used the toothpaste, that is also advertised. He is brushing his tooth with a different toothpaste, that is also advertised, like Colgate, Cibaca and others. Then washes with advertised soap. Then he washes with the soap which is also advertised, like Liril, Lux and many other different soaps are there, that is also advertised. Puts on advertised clothes. Then he put on the clothes, getting ready. The clothes which he wear, that is also advertised cloth. Drinks a cup of advertised coffee. Then he take a cup of coffee. That coffee also advertisement we can see in Nescafe and others. So that is also advertised coffee he used. Then drives to work in an advertised car. Then he is going for his job, for his work, sitting in the car. The car is also advertised, like Audi, BMW, different cars are there, different models. So that is also advertised cars. Then refuses to advertise, believing it doesn't pay. So since the morning when he wakes up till the night, he is using the things which is advertised. Then how a man can refuse to advertise? How he believes that advertisement doesn't work? Later, when business is poor, he advertises it for sale. Then when whatever the business he was doing, that business is doing poor, not working, then he is giving advertisement for sale of a business. That is also he is giving advertisement. Why is it? The poem, why is it, is an advertisement. Then the business he has given for the sale, that is also with the title, why is it? So why is it is also advertisement. This poem is given, that is also advertisement. This is favoring of advertisement, that how a man whose life is surrounded by the advertisement things, then how can he deny, how can he says that advertisement doesn't work? So this is the poem which promoting, encouraging the advertisement, that advertisement really works in our day-to-day life. Below this poem, 3 questions are given. So let's discuss this question. First, who paid for or created this advertisement? So by reading this poem, we can understand the person, those who felt that completely opposition of this advertisement. The people talk about the bad effects of the advertisement. Then the promoter of the advertisement paid for or created this advertisement poem. Some people are opposing the advertisement. They are completely opposite of advertisement. They are saying that advertisement having the bad effect on the mind of the people. So the people, those who are promoting, those who are favoring advertisement, they have paid and they have created this poem, this advertisement poem. Second question is, what is the goal of the advertiser? Here, the goal of the advertiser is to react strongly to those who are against the advertising. The advertiser wants to convey through this poem that when people use all the advertised things from morning till night, then why he says negative points of advertisement, why he abuse the advertisement, why he says that there is a negative effect of advertisement when he himself using the advertised things since morning till night. So that is the goal of the advertiser, wants to say the people, those who are opposing the advertisement. Third question, who is this advertisement poem trying to persuade? This poem, advertisement poem, what wants to persuade? Make understand. So this advertisement poem is trying to persuade those people who ignore the advertisement or try by all means to discourage advertisement. Here this advertisement poem tries to understand, try to convince the people, those who are opposing this advertisement, try to convince them through this poem, those who are discouraging advertisement, to them this advertisement poem trying to convince, persuade. So dear students, I hope you understand very well about this activity 8 poem. So dear students, today we will end our video here. Your today's homework is, you have to read this activity 8 poem once again, and you have to think this question answers which is given below, which I have discussed with you. Then I will send you one PDF of this activity 8, this question answer. This you have to read it again and you have to write down in your fair notebook with a neat and clean handwriting. I hope you are doing your homework in time. Okay, so this much work you have to do today. So thank you very much, students. Bye.